Duly Noted, 10/6/2013. Hi, I'm Dr. Kathy Dooley. I'm here with Beth. Introduce yourself, please.
My name is Beth Holloway. I am from Colorado Springs, Colorado, and I'm a massage therapist.
So Beth has a little bit of SI joint dysfunction. She's been diagnosed with this. She feels like it gets exacerbated by squatting. And what we found was that her glutes were being inhibited by her SI joint compression. Like she literally locks down the SI joint in this anterior pelvic tilt. So she likes to really slip into this anterior pelvic tilt and jam the SI joint, which is going to inhibit glute function. So what we want to do is coach her on how to decompress the SI joint and utilize the glute. And we can do that with the first phase of the Turkish get-up. So I'm going to put you through the first phase of the Turkish get-up, okay? So lay flat on your back for us. A great tool for decompressing a SI joint that's locked up. So, is it your left or right hip? Remind me, left, right? Okay. So we're going to bend the knee on the side of the hip, sorry, the SI joint that's experiencing compression. Okay. So what she's going to do is just elongate this leg, just kind of stretch it out a little bit, bring your toes a little bit towards your shin. Great. And what she's going to do is keep this arm kind of parallel. We're going to set her up for the future of Turkish get-up. Right now we're just going to work on the first phase to decompress the SI joint. So that's what you're going to do is you're going to roll your hip to this side. What this does is simultaneously gaps and helps to contract the glute while you're gapping the SI joint. You can feel your glute contract on that, right? So the glute can contract if we have this decompressed joint. So basically it's mimicking a posterior pelvic tilt. And you notice how I'm kind of holding her knee here? What you can do is do this against a wall and press the knee up against the wall, as long as it doesn't exacerbate any kind of lateral rotator pain that you might have in the back of the hip. This alone is lovely, and it sets you up for that first phase of the Turkish get-up. Yeah, roll to your side. You know better. Go flat on your back, roll to your side. Here we go. She's been coached through this weekend. And so this sets them up for the Turkish get-up, which is going to look very similar, but we're going to actually roll that hip, use the glute and opposite lat to push this up. So it really trains the body in this dorsal sling pattern of activating the glute and the opposite side lat to support and protect the back, but also to keep her SI joint from being compressed. It's going to give her a lot of relief. Dr. Kathy Dooley, I'll see you next time.